Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Bromley Council Tax website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bromley.gov.uk/council-tax. Then press enter and you will be taken into the official council tax website for the Bromley state government. Now from this page, click on My Bromley at the top right corner and you will find the sign in button. Go ahead and click on the sign in button and you will be taken into the login portal. Now within the username section, type in the username that you have registered your account with and then type in your account password within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your Bromley Council Tax Department account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password underneath the password box and you will be allowed to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your council tax account on Bromley government website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.